Let's talk about the Lasso tool. It can do something amazing that no other selection tool can. Hello and welcome to the Vector Garden. In this video we're going to talk about selection and about clipping masks. So I've got everything prepared and I'm going to select all these things and make a clipping mask. I'm going to use the menu, which I normally don't, just so that you know what's going on, like this. Now, as you can see, we only see the circle inside of the star because all the other items are completely outside of the bounds of the mask object. So now, when you go into outline mode, you see the other items as well. But if you want to select them, that's not possible. You can do it like this, and they just do not get selected. Also, with the direct selection tool, they do not get selected. The only thing that you can select is what is visible. Now, the Lasso tool comes around, like this one here. And it works like a real lasso, so you drag around and then something gets selected. So, like this, and the point is selected. But it also works on the object outside of the mask, so you drag around them and then they get selected. Of course, you can also use the Layers panel to do this, but the Lasso tool might be convenient at times.